Hi there. This is a quick overview of our TimeSync plugin for the Unreal Engine. TimeSync can be used to sync time across the network and measure latency between the server and clients. This is really useful for any kind of advanced networking where you want to sync the position of objects and compensate for lag, or if you just want to display the latency or ping to your users. I've already got it set up here, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you the plugin in action, and then in the second half of the video, I'll show you how to set it up from scratch. To start, I'm going to go into the project settings and enable network emulation so we can simulate some lag. As you can see, I've got it set to add 100 milliseconds of latency to incoming and outgoing traffic. Now if I hit run and select the timer actor, you can see that the results are exactly as expected. You can also see the remote time being tracked. If you're on a client, this will show you the current time on the server. If you're on the server, there will be a timer spawned for each client that will show you the current time on that client. You can use these timers directly, or there are a bunch of useful functions on the TimeSync GameState component that you can call from anywhere to get the remote time and latency. On the server, you can call getOwnerTime and pass in a player ID to get the current time for that player. On a client, you can call getServerTime to get the time on the server. There are also similar methods that you can use to get the latency. Alright, that's what it does. Now as promised, here's how you set it up. This is going to be really quick, so pay attention. And done. All you need to do is set the game mode and everything works automatically. Just for fun though, let's see how you would set it up if you already have your own custom game mode. The first thing you'll want to do is set your game state to use the TimeSync game state. If you open this game state, you'll see that it's totally empty except that it has a TimeSync game state component. So if you've got your own custom game state already, you can keep using it, you just need to make sure to add this component. Now, back in the game mode, you'll need to add a post-login event that will be used to spawn the timer actors. So get the game state, then get the TimeSync game state component from it, now you can call spawnTimer for player and pass in the player, and you're done. The timers will now be spawned for each connecting client, and you will be able to use them, or the TimeSync GameState component, to get remote time and latency on the server or client. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below, or on the forums, or on our Marketplace store page, or Discord, or email, or just come over to my house. I'll put on a pot of coffee. Cheers!